Alright, hey guys. Apparently my iPod's tripping. Okay, well I got off the I-5, and after I got what I needed from the place, it's a freaking bed, you see? It's all fucking huge and shit. Anyways, I got there, it turns out I can't go, you know, drop off my stuff, like the freaking, my payload. So, well, because she's not there, because I'm unable to. The cargo is not receivable, you know? So, what I'm gonna do is get some Taco Bell. I'm a fat ass, and I'm American, so fuck you. But before I do that, I gotta fix something on my truck, so yeah. I'm just gonna make it a little more, you know, lean. I guess I can bring you along for that, because when it's in acceleration, it begins to choke, so it, you know, doesn't really feel that good. It's like it wants to choke, especially at high speed. So yeah. Just a little bit. Yeah, I know I'm probably not supposed to be doing that, but for now it's alright. Okay. Maybe that's alright. Yeah, I did some upgrades. New air filter, breather, same as always. Okay, now I'm gonna get some Taco Bell. I'm fucking awesome like that. Here's the payload. Fucking twin bed. Now, I gotta go get some Taco Bell. Safety first, always wear the seatbelt. Always strap the hell out of that thing. Or at least to the best of my ability. Because, you wanna know why? I'm fucking paranoid about straps. So that's why I always use them whenever I, you know, can. Because if I don't use straps, my payload's gonna fall out and I'm gonna have big issues. Mongasso, enormous, humongous issues. Yes, this truck has power steering, but you know, it still kind of sucks. I'm gonna get me some Taco Bell. Because I want some fucking Taco Bell. Fuck you, I'm gonna get some Taco Bell. Let's see what's good. I wonder what is good. Probably gonna see if they got any dollar menu right here. Hi, how are you doing? Hello, can I have a gordita?
Gordita?
Yeah, just the gordita.
Beef, chicken, or steak?
Beef.
Anything else?
No, I'm alright.
$4.95.
Thank you. Yes, I'm cheap and I'm a fat ass. Okay. Ooh, that's good. I am a super cheap fat ass. Alright, because I'm not bored. Alright, hold on. I gotta get my money out. Okay, please. Alright. Hello.
$1.95 please?
Yeah. I have $2 out of a 10, which is not. I don't want to break it. I got $2 in here. Honestly. Fuck it. Huh? Oh, no, that's alright. Yes, gordita. Gordita. Hey. That Mexican. It's the part that moved this thing. Have a nice day. Where's my iPod? Yeah, I bet you heard that, but I'm not racist. I'm just, you know, happy. Okay. Alright, now I gotta hit the 10. Gordita! Okay. I gotta hit the 10 I-5. Okay. Oh, that sounds better. Okay. Ah, that sounds way better. Okay. Alright. 5 northbound. It's about traffic. Honestly, really? Are you freaking serious? Does it say Marijuana Street? No, it says Marijuana Street. Okay. Fail. Alright, well, I need to get to the 5. I think I'm in the wrong lane. Yeah, I think I'm in the wrong lane. I'm gonna back up and then go into the right lane. So here, screw you. I am gonna back up and then I'm gonna go in the right lane because there was no one behind me and there was a Mercedes in front of me. So here, haha, because I'm awesome. Okay. All right, I'm about to get on the freeway, so I will have to say toodaloo to my followers on YouTube, which obviously they have no life, which is why they're following me. Oh, there they go. Okay. Laters, peeps. Ooh, listen to that shit go. Fuck. All for nothing. Because there's a fucking red light. That's not cool. Okay, you go. You go. Show me the green, fool. And you're gonna have to go first. I have more power because you have to use a diesel.